Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Resilio Sync installed on every device and enough disk space. Next, create the folder you will sync and choose read-write or read-only depending on collaborators. This controls who can modify files. Once done, open Resilio Sync, add the folder, and generate a link or key, copy it. Make sure LAN discovery is enabled and firewall or router allows the app port so peers find each other quickly. After you share the key or QR, you instruct peers to add the folder on their devices. This establishes encrypted, peer-to-peer connections. Then configure selective sync to save space. Pick subfolders or file patterns to skip, so devices only download what they need. Make sure to set versioning retention and bandwidth limits to prevent network congestion. Also check whether devices should act as full seeds or partial peers. This affects availability and storage usage. To finish, watch the initial sync until all files reach 100% and resolve any conflicts. Resilio creates timestamp duplicates so you can merge changes safely. Make sure to confirm each peer appears in the peer list and that transfer rates look realistic. If sync stalls, restart the app or device, then test direct LAN transfers to rule out NAT or router issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if peers never connect, regenerate and reshare the folder key after removing the stale peer entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.